Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A12, and today I'll show you this very short video if this smartphone comes with factory installed screen protection. So if you take a look closely on the screen, there's nothing like the foil or the tempered glass factory installed. There's just simple flat screen. So if you want to buy something like very thin film or tempered glass, I can of course recommend you, because it will protect your screen from scratches or even in the breaks when you drop the phone on the ground. And even the cheap tempered glass will be really good. It will be for sure protect from the scratches, and definitely after a few weeks of the use you will spot the breaks, the scratches on the screen, if you don't install any kind of the screen protector. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.